falling down. Raindrops falling down, beating on the roof, make a good sound. Raindrops falling down, like the cat does, using his paws when he wants to remember his mother bowing down. The sweet perfume of wet earth, the green color of plants and grass. Raindrops falling down, make everything better. Raindrops falling down, make a good sound, like a sweet music making a good rhythm until it stops. It's still raining cats and dogs. Nature seems happier. When down it falls, listen to the sweet sound and of course bathing all around. Looking for a shelter where to stay on. Everything is evolved and so come on. It's worth waiting for a moment, raindrops stop falling down, waiting for the sun. Beams lighting all up, raindrops stop falling down, and the first beams make the day better and happiness in our hearts. A new day has broken out. Like a new day's coming, we feel better, so the nature does. Clouds have gone away, and sadness has disappeared from the sky, from our eyes. And now we are feeling better knowing the earth is dry. Animals get out of their shelter because outside they live better. And you, my sweet love, do you remember? Before I gave you my jacket, and now under this sun I can kiss you as I've never done. As soon as we want, we come back, and forever we will remember such a rainy sunny day fading away. I got a shiver in my heart.